even though the E20 fuel has come in, they are still selling E5, E10 bike.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Which doesn't make sense.
No, it doesn't.
Let's get started. Okay, after a long time I'm doing a breakfast ride. It's been like more than what, 3-4 months. A lot of things happening. Bike issues, family issues. Then started doing a lot of track days, back issues. So anyways, today my friend who got his new S1000RR, so I had to come meet him, check out the bike. Who are here on the Jaguar Hayabusa S1000. Usually I don't do motor vlogs, but since you guys have been asking, Papa, do a motor vlog, so I'll do a motor vlog. Why not? Let me try. Let me give it a shot. Also, we'll talk about two things. एक तो update on my garage. Lot of guys are confused क्योंकि मैं अच्छे से update कुछ देता नहीं हूँ मैं. What's happening right now? And the second is we'll talk about the E20 fuel thing going on, right? दो चीज़ों पे बात करेंगे. आराम से जाऊँगा. I have no हड़ी बड़ी. इन लोगों को जाने दो. Super sport guys will go super speed. Okay, so let's start with the garage updates. Number one, oh my god, the RS is back. The RS, damn that tail light. I mean, like, looks like biscuit. Rather they could have just stuck to what they had previously. Now garage tail light. Let's see. Where were we? Yes. So बहुत लोग कंफ्यूज हैं कि पापा भी क्या चला रहे हैं, क्या है पापा के पास बाइक्स. Usually I don't share about all those information. As I said, I don't share everything very clearly, or I forget about it or something. People do figure it out. I like to keep it mysterious. Papa is mysterious like that. You can see I'm riding a 790 Duke 790. Papa, Duke 790? What happened, man? I thought you sold it off. Yes, I did sell it off. And then उसके बाद मैंने खरीदी थी Kawasaki Ninja 1000. Let me taste something new, some new flavors. And I always wanted to try a fade motorcycle, right? And since my friend already had a Ninja 1000, I said, let me give Ninja 1000 a try. I bought a Ninja 1000. I had it for some time. You know, it was called Bulbasaur. That bike is not with us anymore. Bulbasaur is bye-bye. Reason being was I got bored. It was not as per my taste. I want to try it out. I tried it out, had fun with a 4-in-line. The power delivery and all is not my kind, right? Very linear. I like that exciting raw power. Raw power means rush, that acceleration and all that jazz. You know, it was not there in that. Plus it was heavy. It's not that nimble. Okay. That's all. Done. And I was so much missing my Duke 790. Oh, I was missing Kantabai a lot. Now you'll say, then why did you sell Kantabai? I'll tell you why. So I sold Kantabai because it had a lot of issues. It's a bloody KTM. And I took care of it also. But then I was like, you know what, I don't want to go through this headache. The service centers also in Bangalore, they were not doing a good job. You know, issues जो आती हैं ठीक से fix नहीं कर रहे थे, कुछ भी बकवास. And since warranty खत्म हो गई थी, I don't want to take any more tension. I don't trust them. So I sold it off to my friend from APT Bike Point, Thompson, who is a KTM enthusiast proper, and he did his full research. He learned about the motorcycle in and out, and now he knows all the jugaad work also, everything. Then I thought, you know what, now I have a person who can work on this motorcycle. I'm ready to invest that extra money if something breaks. And I was missing Kantabai a lot. That's when I decided, you know what, I'm going back to Kantabai. So that was one reason, okay. I want that nimble, sharp motorcycle with that burst of power. So I went ahead and bought one back. I couldn't buy my motorcycle back, obviously. Then I had to find someone else. So one of my friend who stays Hyderabad, so he had his motorcycle and he takes good care of it. So if I had to pick up one, I had to pick up from him. So I went to Hyderabad and picked up and came back. There's very few motorcycle which made me happy. Makes you happy when she's happy. As I said, it's a bloody Victoria's Secret model, right? इसका मूड है, जब मूड अच्छा है तो यू आर वेरी हैप्पी, भाई मूड खराब तो फिर दिन बर्बाद. Okay, they have stopped here. Then that means they're taking fuel. There you go. The boys are here. Oh, I don't have a shoe. I don't have a shoe. Bike side stand shoe. Ah, shit. There goes Ninja. Fuel, huh?
You can change channel here now, sir.
Huh?
Center channel.
We can change, yes, but I don't know how.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay, so Papa is calling the 790 as Kantabai 2.0. Let's stick to that. With touring and off-road, we come to our bike number 2. So right now, मैंने already booked the KLX 230. As you have heard, the price has come down drastically by 1.33 lakhs. Okay, for the made in India KLX. So जिस दिन news आई, दूसरे दिन जाके ही book कर दिया मैंने. That is done. But what happened recently is I had an issue. Okay, with age, Papa 69-year-old. That is, I am getting back pain now. Back pain, hip joint pain. That happened because of some wrong way I lifted motorcycle during off-road session. So I'm still in the process of fixing it, going to physiotherapy. Oh, what the fuck was that? Something just hit the bash plate. Thank God I have a bash plate. Today also I'm in pain actually when I'm riding. But I was like, it's been some time when I'm not ridden, else mentally I'll go mad. So I said, fuck it dude, we'll go slowly, आराम से ride करेंगे. Track नहीं जाएंगे, breakfast ride करते हैं, मिल भी रहेंगे friends से. Now I'm thinking, see, KLX अगर खरीदेंगे मतलब कि I need to do some enduro stuff, some more hardcore trails and stuff, which with this back, with this kind of condition, I don't think so I can do right now. Right? I can do normal trails and all, I think, once the pain subsides. But if I do hardcore stuff, that means I'll fall, that means bike will fall, right? That means I have to pick it up and I'll get hurt again, and I'm scared to get hurt again. I'm gonna start going to gym more once the pain subsides. थोड़ा core strength और बढ़ाएंगे, back strength बढ़ाएंगे. अभी भी कर रहा हूँ मैं घर पे core strength, back strength के लिए. Then only I'll decide what to do for off-road, because I freaking love off-road, man. Are we doing Photoshop again?
Do the Duke.
Do the Duke.
Wash करा के एकदम से right by the toll साला गंदा हो गया.
यही होता है.
Yours also, no?
Yeah. Ducati V2. Damn, sexy. But my favorite R1. I'll go ahead so that I can take the video, maybe. Wow. Everyone is a screamer. R1 gone. V2 gone. Papa will go around because I need to talk to you guys. We need to have a conversation. Let's still have to decide. That will be the second motorcycle. Yes, Xpulse has also been sold. Xpulse has been sold because I was planning to get a KLX only. I wanted to upgrade my skills and stuff, and also I always wanted a KLX. मैं तो भाई KLX बुक करने वाला था 2 महीना पहले, उसी वक्त 2-3 महीना पहले, उसी वक्त के ना बैक पेन शुरू हुआ था. सो आई ड्रॉप द प्लान. थैंकफुली आई ड्रॉप द प्लान दैट टाइम. अगर बुक कर दी होती तो आज मैं 4 लाख रुपए वाली KLX लेके घूम रहा होता. But yeah, obviously that the CBU unit will be a better quality than the one made in India. There will be differences, better suspension and all that jazz, but you never know. Let's see how the Indian one will be. Right now, KLX you're getting on road in Bangalore for 2.7 lakhs. for that motorcycle, 2.7 lakh makes so much sense, man. Fucking that will kill the market for Xpulse. Xpulse is dead. Means people wants to buy Xpulse for off-road only, I'm talking about. The day I went to book KLX na, morning I went, 11 o'clock morning I went to the showroom. Before me, already 25 bikes were booked off. 25 bikes in Bangalore itself were booked off. So thankfully मेरे को तो मिल ही जानी चाहिए पहले लॉट में, अगर मैं डिसाइड करता हूँ तो. और अक्टूबर में इसका डिलीवरी होगा. But yes, Kantabai 2.0 and next motorcycle in the garage, let's see. When it comes, hopefully I'll tell you guys. Or you'll get to know soon by yourself. Whoa, what the fuck is wrong with this guy? Please don't cross. दूसरे टॉपिक पे चलते हैं. दूसरा टॉपिक पे बात करते हैं, दैट इज़ योर E20 फ्यूल का जो चक्कर चल रहा है इंडिया में भी. तो हाउ मच आई नो, तो जितना पता है मेरे को मैं बात करूँगा उसके ऊपर, एंड देन आई विल गिव माय ओन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. पहली बात, सो पहला स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन क्या हो गया कि इट विल बी अ 95 ऑक्टेन फ्यूल. सेकेंड स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन क्या है कि इट विल बी अ 20% एथेनॉल मिक्स. ओके, जो बोल रहे थे कि ये स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन 2030 तक आएगा, पता नहीं 5 साल पहले कैसे आ गया. यू गाइस माइट ऑलरेडी नो मोस्ट ऑफ इट अबाउट इट, बट स्टिल मैं धीरे धीरे और चीज़ें बताया था. तो 2023 की पहली जो मोटरसाइकिल्स हैं, दे वर नॉट E20 कंप्लायंट. सो दिस E20 फ्यूल जो है, बेसिकली 20% एथेनॉल इज गोना अफेक्ट दिस मोटरसाइकिल्स, स्पेशली दोस रबर पार्ट्स एंड ऑल. राइट, दोस रबर पार्ट्स विल गेट अफेक्टेड. ऑल्सो E20% एथेनॉल जो होता है वो it absorbs water. So if the bike is standing for long, it will start forming water in your tank, and that will fuck up your bike, obviously, right? मैं एक कतरा पानी नहीं जाने देता हूँ टैंक के अंदर. आप बताइए, ये रस्टिंग हो सकती है अंदर because of water formation. All that jazz can happen. Whatever the government wants to push it down our throat, we just accept it and just live by it. Why should I do that? Why should I live like a third grade citizen, man? I want choice. I'm not going to make it political and all. This is not political, dude. This is just about choice, man. Give us choice, right? And with proper description कि this fuel is there, इसमें इतना एथेनॉल है, इसमें इतना एथेनॉल है, जो आपको सही लगे वो आप डलवाओ. Why they have to push us for everyone? सबको ही 20 डलवाना है. बनो इन्वायरमेंट फ्रेंडली, ठीक है यार, लेकिन इतना अचानक, टेक योर टाइम एंड स्लोली शुड कम इन द मार्केट ना. अचानक नहीं भाई, तुम सबको E20 डलवाना है भाई, ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता है. देन कम्स दी फ्यूल इफिशिएंसी भी कम होगी. कितना देती इज आउट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन राइट नाउ. वो क्वेश्चन का ज़माना गया विद E20 फ्यूल. You will feel the loss of power. I'll give you one more example. I know what is happening here. जो मेरा फ्रेंड है, मैंने बताया ना, उसने S1000 RR अभी रिसेंटली लिए, 2 हफ्ते पहले लिए, 2 हफ्ते के थोड़ा सा ऊपर लिए हैं. And BMW sold him a motorcycle which is E10 and E5 fuel compliant.
Niranj bhai,
Hey bro, what's up bro?
congratulations on your S1000 RR.
Thank you.
Huh?
Yeah.
2025. How's your ride from Kochi to Bangalore?
It was
Huh? Fun, huh?
pain in the ass. Fun, comfortable motorcycle, even though it was paining.
That's nice.
Because the earlier bike was a naked,
Ah.
so I'm not used to the position.
Yeah. You get used to it.
Yeah,
Get used
but
to
it's
it.
very comfortable. The electronic suspension is really good in this bike.
Ah, that's what the electronic suspension, the best thing though. By the way, today I was talking about the E20 fuel thing. So
Yeah.
you bought it recently, like 3 weeks back, na?
Yeah.
And that's what I was saying. This, even though the E20 fuel has come in,
Yeah.
they are still selling E5, E10 bike,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Which doesn't make sense.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah?
So what I got to know from 2025, every bikes are E20 compliant.
Yeah, that's what.
But this bike isn't, because it's a CBU.
Correct. Oh.
So yeah, so the government of India should consider
yeah.
every.
What is the misunderstanding between the government and the brands? I don't know what is
Correct.
happening.
Either the brands should support the consumers
Yeah.
who are buying the product. But this is like, I am also confused what to put.
Correct.
The long time,
Yeah.
if the corrosion happens, then I am only the one who's going to suffer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully the government will realize, if we keep talking about it, eventually they might listen to us, like how they listened about gambling and all. Eventually they understood and they're banning all these apps and all. So eventually maybe they'll learn about this also. We'll keep talking about it. I'll keep talking about it on our channel. You should also keep talking about it. Keep sharing content around it, you know. The infamous multi-bump. Toing, 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 toing. जियो BP कितना एथेनॉल है, कितना एथेनॉल है। ऑल आई वॉन्ट एज अ इंडियन, प्रो चॉइस। यहाँ पे मैं यूज़ करना चाहूँगा वर्ड प्रो चॉइस। अमेरिका में दूसरी चीज़ों के लिए होता है, यहाँ मैं बोलना चाहूँगा प्रो चॉइस। प्रो चॉइस मतलब कि गिव मी चॉइस मैन, गिव मी डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ फ्यूल विद डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एथेनॉल, डिफरेंट लेवल्स ऑफ एथेनॉल मैन। एक E10 कर दो, एक E20 कर दो, हाँ थोड़ा सा पैसा ज़्यादा ले लो यार, लेकिन चॉइस दो यार, जो है मुंह में घुसेड़ दो हमारे। आई एम यूजिंग स्ट्रॉन्ग लैंग्वेज बट आई एम अपसेट। और सर फुल कर दो, फुल हाँ फुल सर। E20 नॉर्मल एंड होपफुली आई मिस द ब्रेकफास्ट पॉइंट। स्टोरी टाइम। हाँ तो बहुत पहले की बात है, ऐसे ही ब्रेकफास्ट राइड पे गए थे, और जो ब्रेकफास्ट पॉइंट पे जा रहे हैं वही ब्रेकफास्ट पॉइंट पे उस टाइम पे भी जा रहे थे। एंड आई डिडंट हैव सेना नथिंग एट दैट टाइम। माय ग्रुप guys stopped, they reached the point, they forgot to look out for me। they forgot that I don't know this restaurant। मैं भी चलाया जा रहा हूँ, मैं आराम चलाता हूँ, मैं पीछे आते लोग तेज़ भगाते थे, पहुँच गए थे पहले, तो मैं आराम चला रहा हूँ, मैंने देखा ही नहीं कब रेस्टोरेंट आया, मैं निकल गया। हाँ मैं पता नहीं कहाँ पहुँच गया, 1 घंटा हो गया, टोल के बाद टोल आई थिंक 2 more tolls I passed through, and then I was like, what the fuck, I'm not reaching this place, what the fuck is happening? So then I checked my mobile, and then I saw I had like 30 missed calls। I was so embarrassed. Then I had to ride back, all the way back. By the time I came back, they already finished the breakfast, they were ready to leave. That was one story. Now I'll never forget that place. Hopefully dementia doesn't hit Papa hard again during this ride. Subscribe if you haven't already to see Kanta Bhai 2.0 in action on track.